I'll never have another dog like Buck. He's definitely the top dog here on the farm. Whatever I'm doing, he tries to see how he can help. If I'm trying to do water, he'll drag the hose. The Amazon delivery guy will leave packages at the gate, and right away he will grab them. He's just always looking at us, waiting for something and trying to figure out. I know that sounds crazy, but literally I could tell already at 10 weeks that this dog is exceptional. As young puppies, like they just pick up your shoe or they pick up anything that is left on the ground. When I would see him pick up anything, I would encourage him to bring it to me.
Good.
He paid more attention to my body language, watching what I was doing. His first real big thing helping is when I put the garbage outside, and he picked up that bag and carried it with me. He just watched, because whether I'm doing gardening, he will then go and get anything that's related to gardening. Sometimes I'll be like, oh, there's the bucket, way over there. And I'd think, oh, I wonder if I asked him, would he go get it? And sure enough, he would. When we first moved here, we hatched our own eggs. He started, coming to the front door, and he would just be standing there holding it gently in his mouth.
You're so good.
He picked up anything you lose or drop.
Push. Yes, push.
So then we started asking him to close or open a door.
Yay, good boy.
After that, Buck really took over.
Where did you find this?
A lot of times now, no matter what it is, the puppy's like, oh, wow, what have you got? And Buck's like, this is not a toy. This is work and I'm helping. He'll correct even the ducks. But he understands what needs to be protected. I believe all dogs have the power to do something as great as Buck. German Shepherds have a bad rap for being aggressive and spooky. But then Buck is the perfect example of his breed. I gave him a job and I nurtured a job, and that has made him such a good dog. My days are easier because of him. I can't imagine doing this without him.